accommodate stock up to 2 inches thick. Each marking bar has a precision machined 1 mm tapered hole centered on the bar's width. Use this feature